Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Sri Lankan Sinhala Achcharu. So I have taken here a half green papaya. I have cut it into julienne cut. Then I have taken one large carrot also into julienne cut. Then some green chilies. I have made a split on each green chili and also some red shallots. Then I have taken over here 2 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. I have cut it into pieces. Then also I have taken here 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I have soaked it in apple cider vinegar. Then over here I am using another half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to use half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, then some turmeric powder, chili powder according to your wish. Also I'm going to use an inch of cinnamon, and salt will be always to your taste. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar. So my pan is well heated now. I'm going to add the apple cider vinegar first into the pan. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt into it. Then give it a mix. I'm using a wooden spoon over here. So now I'm going to blanch the carrot first. So I'm adding the carrot into the pot and I'm going to get it cooked in vinegar for nearly 1 minute. So the carrot is now ready. I'm going to move it into a paper towel. So now I'm going to add the onion shallots to the vinegar and I'm going to get it blanched for nearly 30 seconds. So the shallots are done now, so I'm going to move it into a paper towel. Now I'm going to add the green chilies into the vinegar and also I'm going to get it blanched for 30 seconds. So now the green chilies are done. I'm going to move it also into a paper towel. So now I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into the pot. I'm going to get the green papaya blanched. I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder into the papaya. Give it a nice mix. The turmeric powder will give a nice yellow color to the papaya. now the papaya is done and I'm going to move it into a paper towel as well. So now let's start with preparing the paste. I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger into the grinder cup first. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. I'm adding a bit more, but if you can add according to your wish. Then I will add some salt. Then I'm going to add the mustard seeds which were soaked in apple cider vinegar. So let's get this grinded now. So I'm going to use the clay pot on preparing the pickle. So it's on medium heat. I'm adding the paste that I prepared now into the pot first. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon sticks and some chili powder. You can add chili powder according to the spiciness that you would like. Then I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Give it a good mix. So now I'm going to add the blanched vegetables into the paste and mix it as well. I will add the carrot, the shallots, the green chilies and also the green papaya. I need a bit more salt to the pickle, so I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of sugar. So give it all a good mix. So my pickle is now on room temperature. I'm going to transfer this to a glass bottle. So this is the Sri Lankan style traditional Sinhala pickle that I made today. I'm going to use a piece of lunch sheet to cover up the bottle before I close it with a lid. So it will take nearly 3 to 4 days to get this pickle matured. Also, there are many ways of making this, so I just showed you today my way of making it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and Please share this video with your friends who doesn't have access to YouTube. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. So hoping to see you again with another delicious recipe. So thank you for watching my video and have a good day.